This remarkable home lives in harmony with its surroundings, crafted from natural wood and stone that echo the landscape's textures. The garden is dotted with massive weathered rocks, their surfaces teeming with moss and tiny plants, while the glass-topped terrace creates a seamless link to the outdoors. Below, a river meanders peacefully, and above, majestic mountains stand as a constant, awe-inspiring backdrop.
Step into a world where nature and design unite flawlessly. Open living spaces flow freely to a transparent roof terrace, overlooking a lush expanse of green grass and stone pathways. Large boulders adorned with moss and small flora anchor the garden, and a living vertical wall with aged branches adds character and depth. A gentle river curves through the scene, framed by the imposing beauty of distant mountain peaks.